Hello, I'm Crafty Patti, and today I'm bringing you into my garden. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to plant a cute little herb garden like this. And don't worry, it's not too late. I know it's already the end of July for me here, and I've already planted in already established plants, so you're good to go. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to physically plant these plants. If you've never done any planting before, I know you can do it, and then you'll have this darling little planter right off your kitchen, ready to harvest for you the meals that you want to prepare. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this cute little planter. So I just went out and I got this 31-inch patio garden container that will hold some herbs beautifully. And in my planter box, I have added about 1.5 bags of the sea soil, which is organic, which is great for growing anything that you're going to be eating. I had some leftover soil, so I used it for this pot here, and I just popped some lettuce in there. I already had some mojito mint in the back strip back there, but you definitely don't want to put mint in with another planter box because it'll take over the whole planter box. So we'll leave that in the pot right there. I've already planted some thyme, and then in the back here I'm going to now plant some rosemary. So very easy to do. Just squish the container, push on the bottom till it loosens up, and then come in here and just loosen up your end roots, giving them a little bit more chance to survive after transplanting. And we're just going to dig a little hole back here. Pop that baby in there. Give it a little push down, and then bring the soil back around it. And that's all there is to it. Just push around all the edge of it, make sure it's in there nice and secure, but don't press in too tight to the actual plant. You don't want to break off the stalks. And that's already planted. And so if you've never planted before, you can see it's pretty easy. And some of the herbs that are the easiest to grow are indeed the rosemary. Chives are easy to grow, as well as cilantro and parsley. And dill is medium to grow. And of course, oregano is an easy one too. So using these particular herbs, you'll have a very satisfying herb garden that will grow easily for you, and you'll be very satisfied with the outcome. And this was the time. And of course, peppermint is an easy growing herb as well. And how quick and satisfying is that? I can see it from my kitchen window. It just makes me feel happy. I'm growing something myself. And yes, I love my flowers, but I can't eat my flowers. Well, unless I grow nasturtiums. And you might be thinking, isn't she planting all her plants way too close? She's not giving them room to grow. Yes, I am. But let's say for the lettuce, for instance, you're going to harvest your outer leaves here, and then you're just going to let the inside portion just keep growing. And again, the same thing for the herb garden. If this is starting to get too close together, then you're going to harvest it. You're going to harvest your outer leaves, let the inside keep growing. Same with all of this. And for the oregano and the thyme, I've purposely put them on the outside because they do tend to trail, and they can trail over the edge, which is great. And of course, don't forget to water your plants. I try to water around the edges rather than watering on top of the plant. Now I've left the plastic tags with each plant for now, But hey, I'm Crafty Patti. I have to go make some fun tags now to liven up this little garden bed. And here I picked up some bamboo little garden stakes. And this little pack also came with a CD marker. And what I did, I went on the computer, chose a font that I liked. I believe this was Comic Sans. And I've got a guide that I can just use and use my pen to copy the lettering and just write on my herbs, and I'm ready to go. And I find it easiest if I just grab a little ruler and place it on there, and then I've got a nice straight lettering, and then just print on my word. It's as easy as that. Nothing fancy for Crafty Patti this time. And then for your Y, just finish it up. There we go. We now have some parsley. And that just finishes it off with cute little garden tags. I just think that is just so cute.